For my website, I wrote an article about the Ninja Slushi Machine, and I came up with some recipes that are sugar-free and dairy-free that you can use in this machine. And we love the machine so much that I thought let's do a video for you as well to show you how easy it is to use. And for this one, Kiki is gonna make a frozen juice drink.
I love slushies, but shop-bought slushies have lots of nasty things in them. So my mummy and I love trying out the Ninja Slushi Machine for Very UK. We made lots of different drinks that you could find on Mummy's website. So we made the lemon and honey slushie and we loved it. And a dairy-free milkshake that was delicious. Today we're trying out a very easy frozen juice drink. Apparently all you need to do is pop shop-bought juice in the machine. Now Mummy needs to switch the machine on. Then the machine will beep when it's finished and I can't wait! Is it ready yet?
Nearly.
Is it ready now?
Nearly.
Now?
Almost.
Now?
Has it said beep yet?
Baby.
No.
Beep beep. Finish.
See if it's ready?
Yeah. Delicious.
And the machine is super easy to clean too. Just pop it on the rinse spigot, pour water in the container, remove the drip tray and pour it out. I always do this a few times. Switch the machine off, and then you can just disassemble it and wash this by hand. Oh, let's cheers! Cheers! That is delicious. Do you like it? Oh my god, so good and so easy. It is literally just pouring juice in the machine. Even Kiki can do it. I just have to clean the machine. If you enjoyed this video, have a look on my website, hestershandmadehome.com. On there is an article with 2 more recipes Kiki and I worked on. We made a slushie with just lemon juice, water and honey, so sugar-free. And we also worked on a recipe of coconut milk with banana to make a delicious milkshake. Which one was your favourite out of those two?
Both.
Both? Oh, she can't choose. So head over to my website, there's a link below. And I really hope to see you here on Handmade Home soon. Should drink some more slushy. Should go to the garden. Yeah. Oh. Oh, that's yummy.
And cold.
Yeah, rather cold, isn't it? It's a frozen juice, that's why it's called.
Of course. Otherwise it won't make sense if it's not frozen.